for our members, esteemed members in Bangladesh. We reach with the 3 hotels. We give them, we took the statistics about Bangladesh, and to be honest, we trust Masood Rana. So when we told the hotels that, okay, we have around X amount of people, they're entitled for vacation voucher, Kyle was like, no, times 5 now. Tell them times 5. Because we know Masood Rana, how he works. Kyle said, I work hard with Masood Rana in a previous company, and I have seen what is this guy capable of doing and building. So we've sent all the inputs. We've done a full statistics about Bangladesh market. I'm here to talk about Bangladesh market. And when I send to them, we've done the, what they call it, the diagrams about the growth. We have seen the past couple of months, the behavior of Bangladesh. It is booming. So when we spoke to the hotels, we didn't speak to them about our current situation, because our current, we reach it. We're looking forward. We're not looking backward. We're looking forward how to grow in Bangladesh. So the negotiation point, and I love to always be honest with every single one, because all of you are my brothers. All of you are my brothers and sisters, and I must be honest with every single one. We have put in that one in the development phase for the hotel. The 3 of them replied back to us, give us a couple of days. We are preparing a proposal, and all of them, separately talking to them, they replied, subhanallah, they replied the same way. Because to be honest, I'm not giving myself the credit, but that was with the help of my brother Masood Rana.